pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone! Hi my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to another video. I got surprised with Boxycharm. I got the premium today and both my base boxes. Yay! Although I think I have another base box coming as well. Alright, so let's just open them both up and compare them, shall we? I do have two different profiles. Did I bring my scissors? It's okay, I put these right here. Let's just see how different they really are. Let's see here. Oh. Hello, Charmer. All right, the theme Sunshine comes with a card. Oh my God, something in here is $135. I couldn't help but notice, but come on. I mean, what? Are you kidding right now? All right, variation 31. I need a sip of some, yeah. Just grab some coffee. This should be interesting. Yeah, all right. Holy crap. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Didn't we just get the mask, the energy drink for the face? I can already tell what kind of day this is going to be. All right. What is the $21? Seems kind of reasonable. Ooh, my mask. Yeah. My hand is wet, Ken. Good luck trying to do this. Wow, there's a lot in here. How many? 12. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Let's take one out. Oh, it's these thingies. I'm gonna have to try one of these. Have you guys used these yet? Let me know down below, because I definitely am gonna have to try it. All right, let me put it over here. I've got so much stuff here. Just unboxed the premium. Okay, what is next? This I can't even. I just 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. It fortifies the skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shield shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Layman's terms? A moisturizer with sunscreen, maybe? It's a moisturizer. Layman's terms, it's a moisturizer. And it's overpriced. Come on, Boxy. We've got to do better here. There it is. I will put some on my hand. Ooh, it feels cool. Feels like a serum. Have no idea what it will do. All right, next. Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Oh, I'm so glad it's not Kat Von D. That taupe pencil, it's so hard, it doesn't even work. Okay, ooh, I love Hourglass. $28, and it is probably worth it. It's got the spoolie on one end. Let me check the color. Okay. I like that it's not too creamy. So I can get use out of that. I'm liking that a lot. All right, next. It looks like we have the Per Festival palette. Didn't we get one of these before? Oh, this is the 2.0 eyeshadow palette, and it is $36. Okay, so I don't think I've gotten this one. I think I've gotten a different one in the past. But let's see what it looks like. I'm excited for all these eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, it's pretty. No plastic, but plastic over the mirror. And these are all the colors. It looks nice. Would I pay $36 for it? No, probably not. But overall, I'm definitely happy with this box. So we got the Hourglass Brow Pencil, the Per Festival 2.0, the eye masks that are supposed to make me look gorgeous and wrinkle-free, and the $1 Million Skin Booster. That was it, right? Yeah. All right, that was the first box. And what variation did I say it was? 31. Now, let's see what's in the next box. I can't do anything right today. This should just pop. Come on, pop. Pop open. As you guys know, I have the Maddie MUA palette on my eyes, and I'm doing a get ready with me, pretty much. It is a get ready with me in another video, so you can see that. Okay. Oh, look! The same shit! There's the $1 Million Serum. Yeah. The eye things. The Hourglass Pencil. The Per Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Let's just make sure it's not broken, because we all know how Boxy was last month with those Tarte palettes. Holy bejeez. Ooh. Here we go. There it is. That one looks like it's actually in better condition than the other one. Some of the shadows sometimes look like they're popping up. All right, so I see one thing that's different. It's this here. Dossier Fierce Fine Graphic Pen. Wait a minute, this is variation 31 too. Hang on. It is the exact same box, because I didn't realize that was in there. How did I miss that? Huh. Okay, so 2 of variation 31. Let me open it. It's one of those liners. It's liquid, but it looks like a marker, so you have to be careful when using that. All right, guys, guess what? Giveaway! I do not need 2 of these. So I know you guys have got to be for a giveaway. Definitely. All right, guys. So I want to hit 4K very, very soon. I would love it if you would share out this video. I do hope that you enjoy my videos. If you do, give them a thumbs up, please, and thank you. And let me know how your day is going and what you think of July's Boxycharm boxes. I overall am pretty happy, and I am really hoping the next box that comes is not variation 31. But anyhow, we'll see. So, Boxy versus Boxy failed. Thank you for taking the time, like I said, to click on this video, to watch it. And I would love it if you would all subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video real soon. And don't forget to check the description box for the current giveaways I have going on, and then I will be putting up a video soon on this eye look. I love you so much. Bye. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. You're
can fight it? Can we go through this again? Will we fight